Daming baka malaki. Hi guys, welcome to our room. Dito ang aking nanay. We have a kitchen. We have 2 bedrooms. This one is the master bedroom. Tada! Tadu! Grabe naman ang TV na yan.
Yes. Can you open
This
that
is
one?
our room.
Sorry, bro. I step.
Uy, ang lamig naman sa baba.
Can you step on that? Can you open the window?
That is everything.
No, you just open
Excuse
the
me,
window.
ah.
See what's outside.
Muntik na akong umasok doon.
Oh, it's nice. We can go out there.
Tagal niya po. Ayan daw. Start your day with
Okay,
Jesus.
okay.
Wow! So guys, today we're going to the Azure. Art mo, wisit ka. Azure. Ano ba? Walang cut to. Azure Beach House or Club. Ewan ko. Yan, ang aking pamilya. Family is love. Yes. Lobat na ako. Pangit naman ang lighting dito. Yan guys. Mami. Malawak pa lang Azure. Azure. Arte mo, Cleo. Maganda.
We're here.
Uy, nag-name drop ka. But yun. Yun na guys. Yan na tayo guys. Yeah guys. Ay. We're gonna go inside the lobby now. Party. Ang kakainis. Yan. We're here now. Yan si boss. Boss ko yun. Good morning guys. Ako ay sinisipon. At sila ay magsuswim. Ewan ko saan. Dito. Doon. Yan guys. Look. Dito lang tao.
Ha?
Walang tao.
Sarado.
Sarado pa kasi. So ayan, nagsiswimming na sila. Sa dinami-dami ng beach dito sa La Union, dyan pa talaga nila napiling mag-swimming sa man-made beach. Nakakatawa. So guys, we're going sa SM. Nagto-trespassing kami kahit may daanan naman dun sa kabila. Naglalakad lang kami kasi katabi lang ng SM yung condo. Ang init. Sobrang init. Ayan. Nandito na kami sa SM. Isang tumbling walang SM na. Lahat naman, lagi namang may Alphamart. Ang init. Sobrang init. Yan, we're here na on the National Highway. Tapos yan yung Skyway. Okay, bye-bye. Tako. Kuya, bring me doon sila. When I'm Mommy, Kuya,
Yan na lang.
bring me and then while I'm
When I'm crying, he laugh at my cry.
Ito man yan na kulay. Hindi lang ako, hindi okay naman to sa'yo.
Yeah.
Kuya Beng Beng you?
No, it's not. Yes.
No, it's not.
sa workflow ni Joshua may natin. Ito po yung isang workflow. Joshua may po ba kayo?
Ramen. Oh my God.
Daddy,
Daisy, ano sa'yo? Ramen turon. Daisy, ano sa'yo?
Binigay pa siya.
Mommy, my car also can jump.
We're going na ba?
Bahala kayo pag naano ako dito. Mapuy ako.
Food.
Bibili ko dito dra. Mami, ate.
Super
26 GB.
Super spicy.
Po,
26 GB. Saan?
Mag-i-eat na po kami. Go. Say it na.
okay. Yes.
We're going to get
What are they?
our order. Where? Where are we going to get it? Downstairs.
Downstairs.
Where are we, JK?
Hotel.
Hotel. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
We're going to ride the
We're going to ride the airplane.
no, the elevator first. Oh, press.
That.
Yes. Very good. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
We're going home. Actually, no, we're just checking out. We're going to the airport. Or 7 o'clock ata ang boarding kami, 6:30. Not sure. Nico! Sorry, sa po. Nagkakaroon mom and dad over there with the other things. There's my mommy. Cool daw siya. Hashtag cool mom daw siya kasi nakagaling siya. Nakakatawa. Yung damit niya. Ano sabi ko na eh. Ganyan siya. Ganyan. Popost ko pa. Wala ka pa. Hoy, why did you? Stand up. Hey, up.
What is that?
Down. Come on. Come on. Diba pa siya? Oh my gosh.
Ano na?
All between us can't be broken.
Last time, ano?
Yeah. Bayad mo na tayong parking. We're gonna go na.
Okay.
This is the view from the 15th floor. It's the wave pool. Here na oh. Mommy!
Mommy!
Why did you not?
Agi. That's the view. Now we're going na.
How can we fit here?
We can.
Let's stand nicely.
Fit here. I want the back.
Going to the basement to parking. Okay, bye.
9.
We're here at the basement. Looking for our car.
First time ko yung
Yo?
may hawak-hawak.
Ano sa'yo mo? Oh my gosh, nakita na. Whatever. Bakit amoy mais dito?
Ay, ano to ah? Yes.
Okay, bye. Pag mo pa, dun sa loob. What?
Biggest organ.
Okay, we're going inside the airport now. Shera, kapal lang. Pupunta lang naman sa Cebu. Punta na po kami, papasok na po kami.
Kami.
Yan na po.
For check-in kayo, sir? Yes. After 66 to 70 na lang.
66 to 7. We're gonna check in now. Now what are we doing? What are we doing now? Checking. We're checking in our bags.
Kanila mo yan.
And killing. Killing? Ano daw? Sa kilo namin. Ito pa ikikilo namin. Check-in to. Guys, we're going now. Where are we going, Mami?
Gate 6.
We're going to gate 6 na. Yan ang aming boss. Boss amo. Boarding gate. Bakit may spark tayo, Mami? Ang sakit.
Diba ganito yung plate?
May charging port sila all over.
Ganito yung plate, pero hindi nila.
Shoot! Shoot! We're going now. So we're inside now. We just went past the the scan eme ganun. Pag voice over ka mo lang. Ayoko. Patay lang. Hirap mag-voice over.
Video mo kami, JC.
Para may reels siya. Another day, another vlog. Eme. Joke lang. Andun na po ang batang curious. Tayo. Hinahanap niya yung airplane namin. We're gonna board now. We're waiting na lang for our group. Nakakatawa. We're going na. Hindi ko naman ma-video si JK. How can I? We're going na. To Cebu. We're boarding na. Hi guys, now. There's our plane, JK, oh. There. It's, hindi pa masyadong gabi. Faster! What? First time daw niya. First time. Sabi niya.
Hey guys, okay. Kuya, likod. Uy, yan.
Chaotic naman kami. Wow.
Go, 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 go.
Yung mga ano nila.
na manatili lamang sa kanilang itinatdang upuan sa kabuuan ng
We're
ating
going
lipan.
to Cebu.
Ayon sa mandato ng Civil Aviation Regulations, kung kayo ay nakaupo sa exit row,
See you on
mangyaring
Cebu.
basahin ang passenger briefing card. Kung
Ganda. Guys, we just landed. Yes, guys, sa Mactan, Cebu. Show them the picture. Basta Mactan, Cebu. Nakakarabas. Basta blurred lang, guys. Hindi naman blurred. Basta blurred. Basta dyan. Mactan, Cebu International Airport. Here na nakikita na namin sila pula. Touchdown, Cebu. Dito na ang aming sundo. Nagban tayo o dalawang car. Lahat kami na dyan.
Dito rin tayo sa sakainan.
Pasok na. Kakaano namin.
Oo, kasi dati yung international dyan, walang upuan. Yung tiles yung square na maliliit dati.
Hotel.
Maganda ng airport sa international.
Oo nga. Nag-antay pa kami na i-transfer. Galing ako pa international
Hindi man ako
dati.
makita.
Papunta ako Manila.
Sorry.
Wala kaming upuan.
Ah, ganun ba?
May mga may parang 10 piraso lang yata doon, tapos may nakaupo na. Eh doon ka lang sa gilid-gilid.
Standby ka doon sa gilid lang.
Oo, eh sarado pa naman ang airport dati.
And that's it for today. Pauwi na kami neto. This is our view from the van. Punta ko ganito. Wag voice over. Bye guys. Bye-bye.